There's a couple right there, Peter. Right there, dude. I threw it right on top of them. Oh, here goes a couple right here. Right over top. Those look like redfish. Man, this is awesome. I love doing this. There's one. There's a decent one. You see him? He's moving to your left, right under the tree now. This will turn you into a professional fisherman real quick. You know what I mean? The accuracy with the lures. Yeah. This is how the professionals do it. There's a snook. Man, bad cast. There's a giant snook. Oh my God, there's a giant. I got it right there, dude. Oh, he went right over them. They're not hitting. They're just not, there's a bunch, Peter. There's a bunch of little ones down to your left. They're just not hitting. I was throwing this right over top of them. They weren't taking it. It's all about. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And then you just, oh, I just had a big hit. Oh, I got him. I fucking got him, bro. I got him. Nice. Nice. It looks like a little bluefish or a snook or a trout. I'm not gonna guess. I hate guessing. It's a snook. Unbelievable, bro. Unbelievable. We didn't end this day badly, did we? That was amazing. Don't tell me that was a whole school of snook. I seen like 20 snook blowing up over there. That was unbelievable. Okay, quick release. See ya. Oh. Damn, on the lure, bro, on the lure.